Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2023 Surveyor Legend 19 RB LE travel trailer. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you through the inside and outside of the RV, show you what it's all about. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are up inside the brand new 2023 Surveyor Legend 19 RB LE model here. And let's start here in the bedroom section and we'll kind of work our way back. So first things up, we have queen bed, 60 by 80 queen bed. This bed will raise up and you got some storage underneath of that. Real easy to do. You have windshield across the front section there. Shock assist on your cabinet doors, but you got pretty deep storage right there. Hanging closet. And then there's also kind of a little cubby back in behind there where you could set something as well. Same thing over on the other side. Window on each side of the bed here does open. You have your TV right here at the foot of the bed. Now that TV is on a swing arm, so you could swing it around and watch it from the dinette area as well. On the ceiling up there is your electric outlet, cable outlet, and the push button for the TV antenna booster as well. Tinted windows. Pull down night shades on these windows up here in the front section. But these are the pleated style night shades. There's electric outlet and USB charger port on each side here. You can see that as well. Furrion 10.7 cubic foot 12 volt refrigerator. So you have refrigerator on bottom, freezer on top, and again this is 12 volt. So as long as you got a good battery going, you should be able to run your RV. Now also remember, if your truck is wired properly, your truck will have a 12 volt charge wire that'll trickle charge your battery while you're driving down the road to help offset some of the use of the refrigerator. Just below the refrigerator down there is your electric box with your breakers and fuses. And over here you have convection microwave, so you can cook or microwave either one. And then you have full extending ball bearing drawer guided drawers. There's a little bottle opener thing there as well. 2-burner gas stovetop, flip down glass lid. So if you're not using it, you can get a little more counter space. And then you have kind of a cutting board backsplash here. Hood range light and fan. More overhead storage here. Does have a Furrion radio here as well. High-rise sprayer faucet, a large undermount stainless bowl sink, tire pressure monitoring. This is a huge safety feature. I wish they'd put this on all RVs. But this right here would basically allow you to see what's going on with your tires when you're driving down the road. Now your slide out over here is a Schwintek slide. It's a 12 volt slide system. So as long as you got a good battery, again, you should be able to run this in and out. There's storage underneath of the dinette seats. The dinette will also go down into a bed, so you could sleep an extra guest or two depending on their size. The windows on each side do open, but the big window there does not. Looking up here, you have your air conditioner. They're currently using a Furrion air conditioner in the RV. There is a digital thermostat here to control the air conditioner and your propane furnace. Electric outlet down there. You also have the propane leak detector down there. Over here you have your furnace, again propane furnace, and you also have the road vac central vac. There's some hoses that come with it, and then there's also a dustpan vac down there to sweep things into. The RV is pretty much linoleum floor in here, so it's real easy to just take a broom and kind of sweep it into the dustpan vac. And then you also have quite a bit of pantry space here, or linen space, whatever you want to use it for. Back here is going to be the bathroom area. So kind of starting from the top down, there's a skylight in here. And you have your ABS tub surround. Pull across vinyl door here to kind of pull that across for keeping the water in. Down here is some controls. So we have gas water heater button, electric water heater button, portable water pump button in case you don't have city water wherever you're at camping, battery, fresh, black, and gray tank meters. Porcelain foot flush toilet here. Medicine cabinet, little vent fan up there. And then over here we have quite a bit more linen space. So pretty nice little setup for the restroom there. Decent amount of space to get in and out of there and maneuver around. On the side of the counter here, there is a little flip-up counter extension to give you some more counter space. So you're getting probably, I'd say another, I don't know, 14, 16 inches of extra space there. Electric outlet on the side. You do have your entry door right here. Then on the side of the cabinet here, you have your 30 amp solar charge controller, because the unit does have a solar panel on it as well. Power in and out button for the awning. Some light switches, and you also have your slide out button and stuff here as well. All right, we're gonna head outside. I wanna show you around the outside real quick, and then we're gonna come back in and close this thing up for you, show you what it looks like all closed up. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, we're back on the outside of the brand new 2023 Surveyor Legend 19 RB LE. We're gonna start here on the door side and kind of work our way around. So first things up, we have a white fiberglass exterior, some vinyl graphics, lower black metal skirting around the bottom. This white fiberglass exterior is attached to an Azdel composite material instead of a wood Luan backer. Has aluminum studs, foam block insulated sidewalls. You have power awning, LED light strip built in close to the body of the RV, adjustable arms for tilting, and a manual override in the front arm head in case of an electronic failure. You do have two outdoor speakers. You also have a traditional porch light up there. Deep tint safety glass windows. Across the front section here, you have a pretty large pass-through storage compartment. Got a motion light in here. There is the griddle that comes with the unit. I did not set that up, but I did set up the little table right here. So you got a little table and then a little griddle will attach also to that rail, so you could do a little cooking outside if you want. The baggage door is held up by basically a magnetic holder, and it does have a slam lock baggage door handle. You have heavy duty scissor jacks, so you got four, one on each corner. Just down below you can see a little white sticker down there. That is where your gas line hookup is for that griddle. The unit does have an enclosed underbelly, also standard. Now looking up top here just a little bit, you can see that little black dome up there. That is a Winegard Air 360. That is basically able to have a Winegard, it's basically a Winegard antenna, so you can bring in local, TV channels and stuff like that. You also have things up there as far as like your air conditioning, plumbing, stack vents, little things that you got to get up there and inspect and check out from time to time. Just above the Surveyor name there is your stove exhaust vent. You do have to make sure you open the flapper in that before you start cooking. There's an electric outlet here and cable outlet here as well. Then down below here you can see you have aluminum wheels. It is a black aluminum wheel, single axle on this model. Currently looks like they are using Castle Rock tires here. Does have the tire pressure monitoring system as well. So there's a little monitor you've seen when we were inside, and you take that into your truck, allows you to see what's going on with your tires when you're driving down the road. Also have easy lube hubs and drum brakes. Make sure you got a brake controller in your tow vehicle to operate it. You have the More Ride entrance step here, heavy duty step rated for 500 pounds. There's also a little step light back in behind there as well. The entry door is basically a safety glass door, does have the window in it. You have a traditional screen door as well. Large folding entry handle there to help you get in and out. And then you do have another pretty good size storage compartment here. There's also a cold water spray port right here as well. This one was also ordered with the ladder feature and the rack on the back. Now, from what I'm being told, it sounds like this rack is going away and they're going to start putting a hitch receiver on the back of some of these models. That way you could do like a hitch receiver type bike rack instead of this little luggage rack setup that you're currently seeing in the video. Ladder rated for 250 pounds, get you up onto the roof so you can do some inspection and stuff on that as well. Pre-prepped for the Furion observation camera. That is a nice aftermarket feature to consider adding, good safety feature. It's basically a camera that goes on the top center up there, and it allows you to see what's going on behind you when you're driving down the road or backing into a campsite. Definitely consider that. Talk with your salesperson about that. Over here we have our detachable power cord area here. So this one is 30 amp electric service, and that's probably about, I'd say, close to a 25 or 30 foot power cord right there. Your black tank flush is right here to clean out the toilet tank, and the cable inlet is also there as well. Furnace exhaust out right there. Now just down below here, you have hot and cold low point water drains. Then you have your gray and black tank dump here. Always remember, kind of pull the black first, get the nasty out, and then pull the gray to kind of rinse everything out. Slide out wise, they are currently using the Schwintek slide system here. Electric 12 volt system, basically. You push a button, it goes in and out. It is also pre-prepped for Surveyor slide toppers. So if that interests you, again, talk with your salesperson about that. But that's what these little black bracket things are up here. Allows you to add the Surveyor slide topper right onto there. Nice feature. Just down below here is your freshwater tank dump. And then you have your water heater right here. You have your city water inlet, freshwater tank fill. The other side of the storage compartment. Now this customer is going with a blue ox weight distribution hitch to help them tow it safely. There's a lot of different hitches out there. Blue ox is one of the most popular. But again, talk with a salesperson about that. They'll be glad to go over stuff like that with you. Important informational stickers here. Dry weight of this unit, 3,986 pounds. Gross vehicle weight of the unit, 4,849 pounds. And then you got your tire size, 225, 75, R15D range tires. Production dates, VIN numbers, a lot of information on those stickers right there. Front of the unit is a rolled fiberglass. You do have the windshield. You've seen that when we were inside as well. Lower diamond plate. Power tongue jack, light built in, manual override in case of an electronic failure. You have single 20-pound propane tank with the hard bottle cover. 2 5/16 hitch ball, heavy duty safety chains. Looking around here, this is your 7-way Bargman wire holder. That's what runs your lights and everything. And you have the tire pressure monitor sensor here. You also have your battery disconnect and room for 1 or 2 batteries to go there depending on the size of the battery you go with. Comes with 0 batteries from the RV maker. However, most dealers typically include at least 1 battery. At least Couch's RV Nation does. But talk with your salesperson about that to make sure you do at least have 1 battery. That's very important to have. All right, we're going to head back inside. I want to show you what it looks like closed real quick. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are back up inside the brand new 2023 Surveyor Legend 19 RB LE here. And I just want to show you real quick what it looks like closed. So when you are ready to close it, you do have to come over here to your slide control button, and it basically just says in or out. So we're going to hit the button to bring this thing in. Doesn't take real long to take it in or out, just takes a few seconds to get this thing moving. Be sure to also check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, guys. They are one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. They'll definitely save you a lot of money if you're interested. Alright, so slide is all the way in. So if I'm stopping at a rest area or a grocery store parking lot or something and I need to come in here, I can still come into the RV. I could load my refrigerator. I could walk up here if I'm at a rest area and need to take a nap. I could come up in here and take a nap. No big deal. It's a little snug, but it's still usable. Plenty of room to kind of walk back and forth. I could still get back here into my bathroom area if I needed to. So no problems there. That's also a very important thing to point out, the fact that I could still use it and do what I need to do, even though, again, it might be uncomfortable or inconvenient with this slide stuck in. But let's just say you go camping and that slide malfunctions. When you get there, it doesn't work, it doesn't open. Here, I could still camp again. Wouldn't be fun, wouldn't be as comfortable, not as much space, but it's not going to completely ruin my whole weekend of using the RV. So that's a nice little thing to kind of keep in mind as you're looking at some of these small ones. Can you use it with that slide closed up? All right, guys, again, thanks a bunch for taking the time to watch my RV videos. Please be sure to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation. And also remember to like, share, and subscribe if you are interested in keeping up with my RV videos. It really does help the channel. Thanks again.